guys, welcome back to Spotoria channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make our name on Infinix Hot 12 Play lock screen. But before you continue this video, as always I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, first thing first that you have to do, here you just have to go ahead to the settings. But firstly, here I'm gonna show you my lock screen. I'm gonna turn off my screen like this, and here as you can see my lock screen is only the time and the date. And if you wanna add or make your name on this lock screen, you just have to go ahead to the settings. After that, in the settings page, you just have to scroll it down, and now you just have to go ahead to this display and brightness. And after that, you just have to scroll it down a bit more. Here you can see the lock screen option at the bottom. Just go ahead. After that, you just have to tap on this add text on lock screen. Actually, you can add the text or whatever you want on your lock screen, but it's okay if you want to make it your name. So here I'm gonna type my name first. After that, you just have to tap on this save button. Now I'm gonna go back, and here I'm gonna turn off my screen again. And yeah, here at the top, as you can see, there are my name. So I think it's enough guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck!